This is Shubham from Jalgaon, and I come from a very small town. If you know, even know, ठीक है? So basically, I am a copywriter, and if I talk about my education, I am BSc chemistry. So no connection to my education and profession. But होता है ना कि लोग ट्रेन होके आते, they do lot of courses, they come from this institute, that institute. So I'm the different case. But for me, a day with Uday creative workshop is like a crash course. See, जो भी होता है, what is advertising, that meaning, that depth, that exposure, I experienced all this during this workshop, which was the best part. And the interaction by Uday sir himself with all of us is tremendous. I would like to tell everyone कि यार, no matter who you are, whether you are a designer, you are an artist, whoever, no matter, even the CEO, you must participate in this workshop. And it's like मेरा तो ऐसा हो गया ना कि छोटे बच्चे को जिसको चलना नहीं आता था, उसको स्विमिंग नहीं आती थी, उसको एकदम से समंदर में डाल दिया, तो अरे बाप रे, उसको तो इतना सारा है लेने के लिए, इतना सारा है, ओ माय गॉड, सिर्फ हाथ पाँव मुझे मारने हैं, और यही उन्होंने उदय सर ने सिखाया. दैट्स इट. सो लास्टली I would quote saying कि a day with Uday keeps the non-creativity away.